Hi, I'm Lisa Charleyboy, and today I'm here at Osum Cold Lake to talk to Keith Bureau, who is the Taiga Operations Foreman. Hi Keith, thanks so much for talking with me today.
You're welcome. It's nice meeting you.
Yeah, so can you tell me a little bit about what being an operations foreman actually is and what you do?
What we do is, in our role, is we're incorporated into the operation. So currently where we're at is we work with the engineering and design of the pads and the pipelines, and then as the operation gets constructed, then we start developing procedures and developing how we're going to be working with the operation, and then we get into the production mode where we're starting to produce oil. So we kind of manage that side, the day-to-day production and the accounting a little bit. So we do a bunch of different things. So you wear several different hats through the different phases of the operation.
Got it. So what is the typical question that you would get asked by community members?
A lot of the questions that we're getting asked these days is really the effects we're going to have on stakeholders. And one prevalent question is actually the effects of noise, because there's local stakeholders in the area. What we're doing is we're actually doing a couple different things to help mitigate any of these issues that may be of concern.
And so what are some of those initiatives that you're taking upon yourself to do that?
Some of the initiatives in the pad design, in the CPF design, or central processing facility, is we're internalizing some of our alarms and horns, so those will not be heard by local stakeholders. We're trying to reduce vehicular traffic during times that are not main business hours. And we're also taking part into some other initiatives, whether it is to looking into new technologies with well servicing and possible electric rigs and a few different items like that. So we are very cognizant of local stakeholders in the area and the effects of noise. What we're shooting for is actually some of the value. So if you could imagine like having two dishwashers going, that's what we're kind of shooting for our design. So it's actually we're trying to reduce our noise impact quite a bit.
Fantastic. Tell me a little bit about why you decided to join Osum on the Taiga project.
That's actually a good question. The reason why I wanted to join Osum initially was to be part of a company from the ground up, to build a company with integrity, to be developing new technologies, and also being a local stakeholder in the area, being able to have those effects to reduce our impacts, and also being a shareholder and a stakeholder in the company. You're able to do two things.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for meeting with me today. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Thank you very much.